Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American, and today we've got Alan's 24T hot rod in here, and we're going to put some shocks on it. The car was originally built many years ago. It's not a coilover car, it's still a buggy sprung car, and the shocks that are on it are pretty much worn out, so we're going to put some of our aluminum shocks on it. But what we did, because the car is pretty special, is we made shocks and we had them black anodized. And so the black anodized finish is going to make it so it doesn't have the billet look, because this car doesn't need a billet look to it. It really needs a traditional style hot rod product on it. So follow along as we do the installation, and for more information you can check us out at aldanamerican.com. So the first thing we do when we're looking to measure the car for shocks is the at-ride height measurement. So by putting the car on the 4-post lift, we can get underneath, we can access everything. And so what I can do is measure from the top center bolt hole to the bottom center bolt hole, and we're somewhere around 11¼ inches. So that's our at-ride height. So what I'm going to do is look at our catalog for what shock is the best fit for an 11¼ inch at-ride height. So now that we've done our measurements, we know that it's going to be an AS 456 shock. And like I said before, we're going to do the black anodized. So the next thing we want to do is take our hardware and see what size it is. So after we measured our upper bolt and our lower stud, we determined that it's a 1/2 inch sleeve for the top and a 5/8 sleeve for the bottom. So now we're going to move to the rear of the car, take the original shocks off, put the new ones on. Now that we've done the installation, you can see how easy it was to install the shocks. We just had to figure out the open and closed lengths based upon the ride height length, and then figure out our sleeves for the hardware. And on the adjustment for the rebound, what I did is I went full counterclockwise, which is the soft setting, and then I put 2 clicks of rebound in it, which is a good starting point for a real lightweight car like this. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.